Welcome to 11 Mart. Have you ever dreamed of making a full-time income from YouTube, but the thought of being on camera freaks you out? What if I told you that you could run multiple successful channels and never even have to show your face? This is exactly what Tube Mastery and Monetization teaches you. Created by YouTube expert Matt Parr, who personally runs several six-figure faceless channels, this is your ultimate step-by-step guide. The course covers everything from finding a profitable niche and creating compelling content to mastering YouTube's algorithm and maximizing your earnings. Thousands of students have already found success with this proven roadmap. It's perfect for beginners because it breaks everything down, step by step. Plus, you get access to an exclusive community for support whenever you need it. Stop dreaming and start building. If you're ready to learn the secrets to YouTube success without ever getting on camera, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Come on 11mart.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.